Hi guys, good morning. Happy New Year everyone. We need to go over guys. We need to buy 1 gallon of water instead of buying the groceries. Walking tayo there. It's nice to in the morning. We need to buy 1 gallon guys. 240 or 260 1 gallon. And then if you have container door refill is only 40 pesos. Free delivery pa siya. Boko. Doon sa kabila. We buy Boko juice 60. And this one coconut cream evaporated milk and need to do ubi halila ba ito ang ubi sarap mag-walking dito ba hindi may dami hey guys, let's eat guys. Chicken soup guys.
Click here. Subscribe to the Fox News channel on YouTube. It's the best way to get our latest interviews and highlights. And click to subscribe to the Will Kane podcast for full episodes right now.
Good, right? It's good. It's it guys. Hi guys, unboxing tayo. Another parcel. This is S23 plus. You cannot find this in Baclaran guys, but we find in Shopee. So last time we bought 2 and now we bought another 2. This is it. Black and green. I don't know what's color in this. It's not green. Looks like something green and yellow and purple. I have 4 na guys, and we pay this like 79 yeah, 79 pesos. Shopee. And that's it din. Look at the TV. Pag nanood ka ng short, ganyan siya. If you watch short video, like that. We bought this guy, Agua Elite. Alkaline. Paripan. Plain. 200 guy, including the container. And if you buy this one in the grocery guy, 7 liter, yes, 105 na siya guys. So, and then we consumed in this only like 2 days. So I decided to buy this one. And if you do refill this, it's only 35 pesos. Pre-delivery na siya. It's a good deal. Let's check guys. I have water checker. And now, guys, we try the water in the sink. I have tester, guys, water tester. Why the sink is zero also? Maybe something. Wilkins water, guys. I'm not on. We need to test the water, guys. Wilkins water from the store. So drinkable siya, guys. Zero. And then, and now try to the sink water, guys. See, sink water is 65. 65. Oh? Oh. The sink water is 65, guys. Try this, guys. I need to try this water, guys, because I have water. What is called that? Water tester. So we need to try to test this, guys. Hello? Why? What's why is 63? It's red. It's not drinkable. Okay. It's not drinkable. Huh. 63 eh. Oh, 63 guys. It's not drinkable. And try this guy, huh? This is Wilkins. And this is 63 guys. This one's so not drinkable. Try guys, huh? The Wilkins is no more number. So drinkable. And try this wine, guys, the agua. Oh my goodness, still not drinkable. This is twice na. 62 guys, oh. It's not drinkable, guys. This is twice tasting na me, guys. Just be careful, guys, if you buy water in the water station. Look at that. It's red, 62. Oh my goodness. And the Wilkins guy is it's green. So useless. And try again guys the Wilkins, huh? I show you guys. This is Wilkins. Look at the Wilkins guys. Nothing number. So drinkable. Yung ano guys, yung binili naming mineral water is not drinkable. My goodness. Usually guys, just be careful guys if you buy water. Galon about it. It's come from the water station. You don't know if it's drinkable or not. Usually guys, it's not drinkable. Shoe is red over here 62%. We bought that 200 including the gallon, and then if you do refill only 35 to 40, and it's not drinkable guys. So that's why I have like this guy, because every time we go somewhere we test the water if drinkable or not, but it's not. The Wilkins from the store is totally drinkable. I think not allowed, no? If you go into the water station, usually here in the Philippines, there are a lot of water station everywhere. Yeah. But it's not drinkable. I don't know if allowed me to go and ask a glass of water and then we make me a taste. This. I don't know if allowed. Before buy. I don't know guys. Now I know na guys. Since I have this, you don't trust the water station guys. It's not drinkable. Let's drink guys. Matamis siya guys. Coconut juice. Usually guys, mahal ang coconut juice. 1 pieces is 60 pesos. But if you're living in the province guys, if you have coconut plant in the yard, every morning you need to pick one and drink. I know in the US have it in the store. I don't know how much one. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much. You need to order guys mic, because if I make a video, you cannot hear my voice. You need to look in Shopee. Bye guys, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Now is 29 Heaven. Tomorrow is 30. We need to go to Landers to shopping. We need to buy meat, ground beef and chicken. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.